Hello, welcome to our channel for rprogramming for beginners. In this video, we will show several most widely used mathematical functions in rprogramming. So first, there are several functions can be applied to matrix and data frames, scalar and vector. So this is absolute value. To calculate the absolute value, for example, -5, they will return 5. And sqrt for square root function. So square root with a vector 2516 will return a vector 54. And the ceiling is to return the smallest integer not less than y. You can get the meaning from this function name also. So if ceiling 5.5 will return 6. And the floor is the opposite function for the ceiling. We'll get the largest integer not greater than y. So floor minus 2.3 will return -3. And the truncate function will get an integer formed by truncating decimal part in y. So trunc -3.6 will return -3. And the round function is to round y to the specified number of decimal place. So round this number to the digits 2 will return 15.35. And the log y will get the natural logarithm of number. So log 10 will get 2.3. And expy will calculate the exponential of the number. So exp 2.3 will get 10.106. So we will show how to do these functions in rstudio. So absolute minus 5.0 will get 5. Square root C2516 will return 4, and the ceiling 5.5 will get 6. Floor minus 2.3 will get -3. Trunc minus 3.6 will get -3. And the round 15.3656 with digits 2 will return 15.35. And the log 10 will return 2.302585. And exp 2.3085 will get 10.05932. And you can also download the source files for this video from this GitHub link. And the link shows all source files with individual sections on this playlist for rprogramming. And more videos will be uploaded later soon on YouTube. Thanks for watching.